This poem is called Alyssa's Queen Dress. I am 6 4/4 by Alyssa Lewis. There's the front. I'm your little queen, as happy as you or I can see. You're the best daddy for Halloween. Halloween I can spend with you. Can't you see? I'm the best for Halloween. I'm a spider or maybe a queen. That's what I am, a queen, queen, queen. As happy as I can be right now, I will like Halloween forever. I dedicate this poem to my daddy, Alyssa.
Oh.
And I got more to do, but this is what Daddy wanted to show you.
Let's see. Let me zoom in here. I can't believe you're so talented that you wrote that all by yourself. You're writing poems. You're amazing, Alyssa. Thank you. Who loves you?
You.
That's right. Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Thank you. Little love bear.